You're probably wondering how to make an impression to your customer when they browse your online store. And now, we're here to talk about the most important thing, which is a UX design. First, let's define how important the UX design to your store. When users are greeted with appealing designs, the result is as simple as performing multiple actions on the page. The visuals of your online store promote a clear association with your brand. Right from the thorough logic and transitions, to simple and clear micro-interactions, fast feedback from the system, attractive product presentation, easy payment flow, and a bunch of intuitive features, every such single aspect can directly or indirectly affect your e-commerce game. Now, what makes a good elements of a UX design? Here, I'm going to run down 10 elements of UX design to your online store. First thing to consider is the easy navigation on your homepage. Don't bog down your users with too much information such as pop-ups, forms, and links that may seem like you're giving your visitors more options, but you're just slowing them down. You need to remember 3 things here. First is to prioritize accessibility. Most important tasks should be in high-volume areas. Second is to manage the learning curve, which then you will easily associate buttons with related function. Might be to emphasize call to action and to stop the unwanted features. And the third one is the function over form. This includes simplifying the registration process, automation, and doesn't require the same input multiple times. These are very important in UX design since we make things easier here. Proper site search functionality is an essential requirement to provide the best e-commerce UX to your customers. People who engage with a search box are more likely to become leads because of their clear intent. A great example of personalization is Amazon's recommended products list. It takes the items you search for and offers other items that similar users have purchased. Or if you're on a travel site, you may notice promotions or specials for places you've visited in the past or that you've recently searched. Reddit and BBC are some great examples of customization. When you visit these websites, you will notice that customization enhances the UX because it gives the users the ability to control their interaction within the site. The more steps that stand between your client and confirming their purchase, the higher the cart abandonment rate will be. Streamlining checkout helps move things along faster and gives people less time to second-guess their purchases. However, a few steps don't mean you should show all the information in one single screen. Ensuring you have high-quality pictures of your products on your e-commerce website is the best way to help your customers understand exactly what you're trying to sell. Try including several high-definition photos from the different angles to highlight important details of the articles. High-definition photos are important for your site, but you also must try and represent the true scale of the products to nudge the visitor into making the decision. It's a good idea to provide photos taken in a real-life environment so that people can get better visuals of how they will interact with your products. You should encourage your clients to share their experience using your products or services on social media. If you monitor your brand's mentions and share the content on your website, you can help other potential clients make the right choice. This type of interaction leaves your customer feeling heard and fulfilled, which are in themselves integral aspects of e-commerce experience. Some of the biggest online retailers have become successful by letting their customers create lists. After all, Not everyone will be totally confident in their purchases right from the beginning. By giving your potential clients the chance to save an item to a list and review it later, you're actually increasing the chances of a conversions. This list can help narrow the number of products that these buyers will need to look over when they're eventually ready to make a final purchase. Now, if you don't want to tinker with your UX design, it might be a wise idea to contact a private company that offers UX design services. We in the Moo Group have experience in designing online stores that convert better. If you need help with this, or maybe you just need an advice, we're happy to have a quick chat. Then we can map out how design can take your online store to the next level. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!